The Zulay Kitchen Silicone Baking Mats. These are the perfect alternative for other baking materials, such as parchment paper, aluminum foil, or non-stick sprays. These baking mats feature a non-stick surface that allows for effortless food removal with no plastic aftertaste. Their durable and flexible nature enables this product to last after multiple uses, engineered to distribute heat evenly for consistent and reliable outcomes, with no burned or undercooked areas, and can withstand heating temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and does an amazing job at baking evenly. Easy to clean and store. A simple tool that does its job perfectly. Get yours today.
Introducing the Gorilla Grip Baking Mats. Constructed from premium food-grade silicone, the naturally non-stick surface allows for easy food release without oils or sprays. To help keep your cookware clean, durable and thick surface provides an even baking surface and a high heat resistance, making it a perfect option for any ingredient. And easy to clean. We hope you